Hello, this is Jim from TechBuzz back with a different video this time. If you recall, last year we did this Stonestream shower here and we've been using it still every now and then, almost a year later, and it's garnered a lot of attention on YouTube. But now we have the new version in, which is the Eco version, as they like to call it. And basically there's a few small changes on it compared to last year's one, and we'll go through it now. So as you can see, we have different buttons here compared to last year. It was pretty bland and plain there, as you can see. Now you've got some indicators there to tell you what you have, and there's 3 different functions on this as before. You've jetting, rainfall and massage. So we're just going to take off the cap again and show you the inside, and that's it there, pretty much the same as before. And your 3 switches here, which we'll demonstrate in the shower. So we'll pop all this back on. So you have the micro beads down here, we have a cap here on the end just to hold them in, and we have an eco switch here. So this will effectively just cut the shower off when in use, which is handy. Depending on your setup at home, if you're long shower, long lead, or if it's up on the wall, everyone's setup is going to be different. I'm going to take off this here, and you can see there's a filter in here now, whereas last year's there was no filter down there, but there's a filter up there, but this is a much better filter. And you can see the stop switch here. You can see it opening and closing in there through the gap. So it's an improved version here with a better filter, and beads are a different colour, but sure, that's not going to make much of a difference. But anyway, that's just what it is there, and it simply pops off here like so. And this will give you a better look at the switch. So it'll just pop it back in, just make sure it's nice and tight, and then we'll screw this back on here. And they seem to be better seals, but having said that, I've had no problems with this. It hasn't leaked, hasn't done anything at all. And again, they're saying that the pressure is meant to be better, which we'll check that out. And we can also check out what it looks like compared to last year. So they reckon better pressure again, and you can save water too, but we'll check that. We'll do a test with a proper head on this head to see which fills up quicker under a timed instance. So that's it just in there. So there is a few subtle changes to the actual device itself. So after the shower, I guess. Okay, so we're in the shower area now, and we have a stopwatch here, which I'm going to have down here so I can reach it easily. And I'm going to do a 5-second test and check this one first and see how far we get. So that took 5 seconds to fill that glass as a sample. So what we're going to do is install the new one, which is quite simple. Like so. So I'm just going to pop that in the holder, which is fitting slightly different. So we're going to turn on the shower first and let you see the action. So this button here stops it like so, as you can see. And then we have the different settings here. Which is pretty cool. So I'm going to drop it back into the holder here and see how long it will take to fill the glass. And we're off with the stopwatch. And that took 7 seconds, 7.5 seconds to fill. So there is a level of water saving there, it has to be said, from testing it with a stopwatch. And I've actually tried this out in the shower again, and it's really quite nice with 3 settings. As I said the last time, it's totally different to your last experience with your previous shower head, but this does offer a quite unique experience in the shower. It's quite hard to explain, it's kind of like pins of force, but it's pretty cool. But this is our new Eco version anyway. And with our switch here, it's pretty cool. And then your different levels here. As you can see, all work perfectly fine. And as I said, I still have the one from last year, and that worked perfectly fine too. But this one is slightly more refined, and people will enjoy it if they've enjoyed their last one. It's pretty much safe to say. So that's it on the Stonestream ECO Power. Any questions, hit us up. So just to recap, this is our typical shower head. We're going to just put it in and see how long it will take to fill this glass. And so you can see there, we'll place it here because I'm on my own doing this. And let's go. You can see that filled up pretty quick. So now we're going to check out with the Eco Power Stonestream. And it's a good 2 seconds at least, easily longer to fill up the glass. So you do save some water, which in Ireland is pretty cool. Thanks for watching.